Hey friends, welcome back to the Busy Bee. I'm Chess, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to become a part of my YouTube family. And if you are a returning visitor, hey girl, hey, thanks for coming back. I'm so glad that you stopped by again, and I also hope that you will enjoy this video and that you are also motivated to get it all done after work. I'll be honest, sometimes the struggle is real trying to get everything done as a working mom. After working 8 hours a day, driving an hour home, sometimes when I get home, I really just want to sit down and watch TV and do absolutely nothing. But I look around my house and see so many things that need to be done. So, hey, I got to do it. Got to do what I got to do. On this particular day, my son helped me empty the dishwasher. And I emptied the dishes that were in the dish drain that I had washed the night before. I opened the door to my refrigerator to put the groceries away, and my God, do I need to clean this thing out. It is a hot mess. Cleaning out the refrigerator will be number one on my list this weekend. Now that the dishes are put away, I can get ready to get started with cooking dinner. On the menu tonight is this HelloFresh lemon chicken spaghetti. I think it'll be pretty good. I haven't had this one before, so fingers crossed that it will get 5 stars from my family. Have you all had a HelloFresh subscription before? What are your thoughts? One thing I really enjoy about my HelloFresh meal subscription is that I don't have to think about what I'm going to cook. What's for dinner is never a question. Each meal comes with complete instructions on how to get dinner on the table, along with all of the ingredients that you would need, except for basic things such as salt, pepper, butter, staples like that you would have already in your pantry. Everything else is all in that little box. Dinner is done and it received 5 stars from my teenager. I think that's a win. Right now, I am doing a 5-day apple cider vinegar drink challenge. So I am having that drink with my dinner. Make sure you are subscribed so you can check out my results from that challenge. I hope to have that video posted next week. wake up in the morning and you walk in your kitchen, it's nice, clean, and refreshing. It's nothing like having a clean kitchen to wake up to. Since we are still dealing with the coronavirus here in our country, I try to make sure that I wipe down all my surfaces every day with Lysol or Clorox or some type of antibacterial cleaner. I hope that you all are continuing to stay safe out here. It is still real. I hope this video motivated you all to get it all done. Let me know if you try the recipe for the lemon spaghetti chicken. I think that's what it was called. I will have the recipe in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you like this type of content, please remember to like and subscribe and leave me some love down in the comments. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys back here at the Busy Bee for the next video soon. Take care.